is why I have to always do it right now.
Well, that's right. You didn't, because you didn't, did you? Text it right now.
It is a good picture. Thank you.
Sit down,
Babe,
Christian.
my favorite.
Sit down.
My favorite, even better than.
Nancy, why did you never get on Facebook?
I don't want to be on Facebook. I don't need to be on Facebook.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Oh,
Cheese.
smile. So we don't have a camera. Yeah.
Cheese. That's a nice picture, Zane. That was a nice.
Now stay for me.
Oh. Oh. Hot.
No, don't touch.
No.
Had a bonus. Nothing like a woman smelling the gunpowder.
Oh, God.
What is this?
I don't know. That's the last. I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Open cap.
Mm-hmm. That's the new perfume, honey.
Okay.
Okay. Whoops.
That's all we got.
No, that's fine. No, I'm just saying that these are smoke. I think the trucks are smoke or they move.
Oh my God! I about said is the Bud Light one new? It like kind of meshed in there. Very hot. Wow. Christian.
Get back. I don't know what it does either, but step back.
I don't know what it does, and I can't really move anywhere.
Boom!
Yeah.
We'll put that one in the street next time.
Don't touch.
Keep you up here.
Daddy.
You poor thing.
They're all hot. Okay.
Okay.
Do you need to go pee? Are you sure?
No.
Okay. All right.
Just like that. Babe, is that loud?
That was your dad's.
Cover your eyes, Zane.
And baby or something.
Oh.
Oh, tricked you.
Give him the smoke. He says, okay. Run through it. This won't make noise.
This has no noise, no trick.
Okay, so you need to do that tree again because I was not
Don't
filming.
touch. Get back. That's going to hurt your eye.
How does it stay like that?
Because that's all
You
it
gotta
does.
How do you make it stay like that? Mine's not doing it.
Oh, we need a punk. Punk.
That's one of my favorite things.
Oh, yes.
Denise is like this.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
It went like this.
I didn't get it.
Is that loud, Bubby?
I wanted Brittany's reaction of running away. We're going! Oh, look, Zane, look.
I should have stayed up for night then, I guess.
Oh, it's fine.
Close enough.
Yeah. Hey, Christian! Well, he's gonna go towards it. I know. And I know. I have that. So stay
Brian, they didn't have any where we were at.
It's not loud, Zane. We have not loud. Joey got sparklers, long ones.
Oh, you got some long. Oh, okay, cool. That's.
Christian's like,
A little bit too late.
We have more. We still have more.
Now it's on fire.
Say we have like.
Watch this, guys.
Just do not lay on the side.
Okay. That's it.
That's fine. He wants it in a box. Okay. Hey, bring me all of it.
Oh, yay. Okay. I shall move.
Christian! Oh, is that just a smoke bomb?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, give this to Daddy. That needs to like go in straighter. Well, I don't know. I feel like that's like the truck.
The truck?
Oh, yeah.
I feel like if it's in the street, it's gonna fall.
Well,
It's not gonna go that far.
we can probably just point it in that direction.
Yeah, the direction it was pointing at.
Right towards Denise.
There we go. I'll move. I missed it again.
You should have seen. She just about ran into the tree.
Brittany, it's okay. These are legal.
Baby! Big sparkly things. Ow! We saw that with Dad like 2 years ago.
That's just Christian.
Okay.
Oh,
God.
Zane.
Here, let's do a big sparkler.
We're gonna just torment this poor kid. Poor kid. Zane.
It costs $1.
Pull my string. Pull my string.
Pull a string on it,
I
buddy.
heard pull my finger. Pull it real hard.
Harder.
Oh,
He said. You gotta pull hard, buddy. Pull hard.
Harder.
You gotta hold it. Hold on to it and pull it. Pull it, sucker. Harder. Wrap your finger around it.
Watch out for Christian's face.
Okay, now pull it.
Whoa!
It's supposed to go.
Oh, he's like he wants the truck.
He's like, whatever, Pappy. Here, Zane, let's do this. Look, a spark. Hold on, let me light it.
Some for your hair. It fell off.
Where are the pumps?
Wow, this is pretty good.
Baby, I don't know where I put the lighter. Where's your lighter, Britt?
Yeah.
I don't know.
That is a heck of a picture. Him laying down on the.
Baby, you have it. Lights. Hold on.
Yeah,
Yes. You had it last because you were lighting the other.
But listen, Zane,
Told you.
wow, it's good.
when you are playing with it though, no, you cannot swing fast. We go slow.
I said we could just
Right.
I don't do lighters.
Oh. Other way, baby. Other side. Other side.
Be careful,
Okay,
because that's
play
hot.
nice.
Don't touch, that will hurt.
Yeah, just hold it.
Slow. Good job, Zane. Good listening. Awesome.
These are my favorite.
Can you make a circle with
Help
it?
yourself.
Sweet.
Wow, I thought that was a...
Yeah, Roscoe definitely thought that was a punk. He was lighting it like this.
Oh, okay, good.
He's like, so it's not a punk? I'm like, no.
Real quick. Cheese.
Zane, look at Pappy. Look at Pappy. Cheese. Cheese.
Thank you. Okay.
Welcome to
Christian, here. Oh, watch out, Mom. I got one. I got one. Watch out.
Yeah.
Come here, Christian.
Can you whisper a second?
Watch out. Those are together and that might light.
Made half sticks.
Yeah, let me grab
That was awesome. We could blow up. I'd just buy the quarter sticks from them for like $4 a piece.
Yeah.
You have to be careful with those. They made them out of.
Okay, is somebody going to help him when it goes out?
Shrapnel everywhere.
Yeah.
Is he trying to light that?
It's kind of getting close.
Hey,
Zane,
Zane,
bring
move
it
your
here.
hands back a little bit.
That one's about done,
Oh, no.
I think Brian has a bucket. Joey,
There's a bucket over here.
there's a bucket over there.
Watch out, Zane. Yeah, okay, you're trying to touch it. I can't keep it.
Oh, okay.
He doesn't
I
understand.
know, but he's like stronger than me, so.
It's hot.
Yeah, I'm afraid he's gonna.
He's got the ribbon on his shirt.
You can watch it, Bubba. You can watch it. See it?
Whoa.
Oh.
Yeah. No touch though.
Whoa.
No
Whoa.
touch. That doesn't. No touch.
buddy.
Where's the sparklers? You want another one?
My mom has one right here, Joey.
Go to me, Mom. She has a sparkler. What? They're so sweet, though. They're so loud.
Whoa.
Stay back, baby. Where's Christian?
Right there.
You watching, honey?
Yeah, but I missed the red, white, and blue part.
Yes, baby.
Okay, hold on. What?
It's not over yet. Oh, look at all that. Oh, my.
No, this is hot. It's hot.
Mommy, I'm in muscle pack.
I know. This is all done. I'm putting this away. When that's done, you can have a monster.
Come over here and watch this. Watch. Wow.
Ooh.
Wow.
That was worth the money.
Yeah, it was. That was cool.
Yeah.
Say, you ready?
But Zane moved his hand right when I didn't expect it. Like, alright, Zane, you ready? Is that too far there? Oh.
And then it goes again. That's pretty cool.
Right. I didn't catch your grass on fire.
Not yet.
How you doing now?
It's all done.
All done.
We have one
Look
more
at
of
that.
those, right?
Yeah.
No, we have a couple more.
No.
There's 2 in a pack.
Oh, there
are
is?
there?
Christian, you are not so paying attention.
Stay back, Zane. Stay by Daddy. We need to find a place to put all this so I can take pictures.
Give them to your sister.
Next time we do one of those, let me know so
I
I can
know.
do a video of it. 'cause
Okay,
that's
I
pretty
think, Roscoe, don't you have another one of those in your hand?
Got one more right here.
Yeah, we have one in a box of them too. So we'll do it next, Mark.
cool. No, there's not necessarily. Just.
Well, it's in his hand. There's 2 in a box.
Let me.
Hold on, baby, hold on.
Are we ready? A smart ass.
Another dot.
Oh, pretty.
That is pretty.
Daddy, Mommy wants it.
See, this is all a kid needs, right?
Really, Billy? You do it on purpose.
No.
Zane, not too close, baby.
What do you think of that, buddy?
There.
Yeah, is that cool? Yeah.
Yeah.
This one.
And we're done.
Just like,
Wow. Were they the same thing?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, well, one's better than the...
No, one started.
Yeah, Poppy, buddy, Mama.
Who's that, Uncle Mark?
Yeah, Mama.
Yeah. Did you say Uncle Roscoe?
Can you tell them how you say Batman?
Spider-Man.
Yay!
It was one.
Whee! Oh, there's more! Yeah.
Yeah.
Poppy, I need it. Mommy,
Mark.
Mama.